I just handled a waste plant fire, and dirt covered all my car.
Don't worry, I'll get your cars completely clean in no time. Let's start with the first car. At this pre-wash water gate, your car will get a pre-wash to rinse off the surface dirt. Now your car will move on to the main wash stage. This powerful system will make your cars look brand new. I'll pour in this soap mix to boost cleaning power. Next comes the wash stage. I'll load these water-filled balls into the machine. While water has washed away all the soap, now it's time for the polishing stage. Your car will shine like a star soon. At this scrub brush gate, the brushes will scrub off any remaining dirt. Wow! Lastly, strong air from this gate will blow your car dry.
That's spotless. Excellent work.
Welcome to Battle of Balloons. Let's meet today's furballs and beasts. It's White Rat with his unstoppable green tracker, Guinea Pig and the mighty Red Crusher, Chinchilla and the armored Golden Spike, Hamster and the indestructible Blue Gear. Now let's roll the cars. Take your control rooms, contestants. No one leaves this arena until the battle is over. Only one winner gets to be free.
No way!
We're trapped. I must win.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Battle starts now. Our racers are going wild. Red Crusher lost 1 point. Green Track lost 1 point. One point of Blue Gear. Blue Gear is striking back. Golden Spike lost all 3 points.
Oh no, all my balloons popped.
That's boring. Bring out the spike trap. Now it's much more fun. Red Crusher lost all last points.
No way. My poor Red Crusher is down.
Let's make it harder. Activate the blade trap. Racers, survive or get sliced. Green Track lost 1 more point. Another point down for Blue Gear. The last blue one down.
No, I was so close.
I won. I'm getting out of here. Oh no, what happened?
No one can escape my arena.
Time to get some hay for my horses. Huh? Oh no, that rain has ruined all my hay. I'm out of grass and the horses are starving.
Out of grass.
Oh,
I need to make more silage fast.
How lucky. Last night's rain made my field grow full of grass.
Hello,
I need a ton of fresh grass to the horse farm.
coming right up.
I brought the fresh grass.
So much grass. I need to start silage now. Grass silage truck. Let's roll up all the grass onto the truck for me. Great, all the grass is spread evenly. Now let's wrap it with plastic film and start silage. These tires will hold the plastic down and keep the silage airtight. Oh no, it's too hot. The grass is going bad. I need to add some silage inoculant now. Looks like it's breaking down a bit. Great, the grass is finally up to standard. I should pack it up and feed the horses now. Let's enjoy your meal. With this silage machine, no more hungry horses.
ketchup is all over my car.
My car is clean.
Look at me, there's a car wash here. I want my car to have no more stains. It's so quick. My car looks like brand new.
Oh no, the car wash is overflowing.
My car got yellow mustard.
Me, wasabi.
Me, tomato sauce.
Me, mayonnaise.
Then wash harder.
Make my car look new again, please.
Make my car newer than hers, please.
Wow, the smell is gone too.
So smart.
How wonderful.
Great job.